Hello my dear friends and welcome to my video. In this video I'm going to draw and repaint a painting from Pablo Picasso, and this drawing will be with ink and also watercolor. And at first I use those two colors, scarlet and alizarin, and the combination of these two and two tiny and elegant brushes which are handy and useful for this kind of drawing. This process is starting with drawing at first with pencil, and after that I'm going to draw those lines with ink and continue the process with decreasing the density of the color and mix this with water, so it will be really perfect and elegant drawing. And it is also easy for everyone to follow and practice. And I changed the style of the original painting and mixed this with kind of Persian painting style, which is circle lines and using those ink and watercolor and changing the face of and portrait of and the figures. And I thought with myself that what would this painting be if Pablo Picasso were Persian and his style was Persian painting? So I put myself in his place and started to providing some changes in this painting. And I think at the end it will be great and satisfied me and all the people who watched this painting. I also changed the height of figures and shape of hands and foot and everything that is related to being more elegant, because Persian painting is related to be more elegant. Hands and feet are really tiny, and it seems that they are not placed in the ground, they are above the sky. And also their eyes and nose and lips are really different from the original one, and hers are painted one by one with really focusing on how every single hair would be. And now it's time to provide some shadows in some part of the painting, like the original one, but it's really, it's with watercolors, so the quality of this it's really different from the original one, but it will be great. We are about to finish this video, and I want to say thank you for spending your time here and watching my videos. And please subscribe my channel to see and watch more videos from me. And you can send me and let me know your ideas about my painting, and let me know in the comments below. I would answer every single comment. And you can also watch the other videos from my channel. Thank you.